Good morning, students. So already we have started multiplication of decimals. Under that, today we will learn how to solve value of powers. Exercise 3C, 7th question, first part. So this is the question 1.4 power 2. It is called 1.4 square also. First of all, you must learn how to open this bracket when power is 2. We will open like this, 1.4 multiply 1.4. Further, you know how to do. We will ignore the decimals and simply we will multiply 14 with 14. So what will come? 196. Now yesterday also I told how to do. We will do 1.4 multiply 1.4. Now how to put the decimal in the answer after one digit, total after 2 digits decimal is there, so you will put after 2 digit decimal. So this is the answer. Now 7th part, you can see our question is 0.03 power 3. It is called cube also. Okay, so how to open this bracket now? When power is 3, we will open this number 3 times. 0.03 multiply 0.03 multiply 0.03. Now we have to solve it. So first of all, we will take these two numbers. So what? 0.03 multiply 0.03. So firstly, we can ignore the decimal. So what will be left? 3 multiply 3 only. 3 3s are 9. Now how to put decimals? Again same, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digit we want point 1, 2, 3, 4. Here put the point yourself and so this multiply is equal to this. Now this number is left. So again we will multiply 0.009 multiply 0.03. So what to do now? Again we can ignore the point. Simply 9 3s are 27. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 digits after we want the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here should be the decimal and starting 0 we will write ourselves and this is our final answer. So this type of sums when power is square or cube, you will solve like this, and other parts of 7th question you complete and get the answer and check your answers also. Now we are going to start our next fundamental concept, that is division of decimals. So first of all, I will tell today how to divide by 10, 100, 1000. So here you will not do any long division. We will do the shortcut method. You must understand and it is very easy also. Exercise 3D, first question. This is the question. Now how to do 1.3 downside 10. We have to divide it. Now what is the method? Multiply time, we are moving the point forward. Now division time, we will move the point backward. So 1 0 is here. So we will move this point one step back. So point will shift here. Okay, and here point can be cancelled. So what will be your answer? Here is 0, we can write ourselves, you know. 0.13 our answer. So you can see so much easy we are getting answer by this method. Okay, now next I can take fourth part, 0.78 divide by 10. Now again same we will do 1 0 down, so one step back we will move the point. So point will shift here and this point can be cancelled and starting 0 you can write yourself. So you 0.078. This is the answer. So like this way I will tell you now how to divide by 100. And second question, first part, divide by 100. Now how to do? 2 zeros are down. So you will shift this point 2 steps back. One step, second step. Second step, if there is no number, you will write 0 yourself and point will shift here. Starting 0 you will write yourself every time and your answer will be 0.004. Okay. Like this way you can do other parts also. Fourth part I have taken for you. So downside 100 is there. Again you will shift same question. 1 step, 2 step. So 0 you will write yourself and point, and answer is 0.046. Now third question you can see we are dividing by 1000. Same method, 3 zeros are there, so you will move 3 steps back this point. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. If there is no any digit, write zeros yourself and point will come here. And your answer will be 0.0019. This is answer. Fourth part, 7 by 1000. So this is the question. Now only 7. There is no any decimal. You must know that 7 point, every time point is present here in every number. So this point now we will shift. 1 step, 2, 3. 2 zeros write yourself. Point will shift here. And your answer will be 0.007. So like this way, first, second, third question of exercise 3D, do yourself and check your answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.